All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're out of court. Here's the time. And let me tell you what went on, y'all. They violated my constitutional rights. They said that freedom of speech is out the door now, ladies and gentlemen. The judge gave me probation, said he wasn't going to give me jail time for freedom of speech, but put me on probation and to stay away from enterprise, even though I have a protected order already in effect. But what I'm going to do is, just like I told my attorney, he's going to file an appeal. We're going to be heard on it, and I'm going to give him 2 weeks, and then if not, I'm coming back and turn myself in for the 60 days and do the 60 days. This is a corrupt system. I'm going to tell you what happened. I went before a young lady, a judge, and I told her that I wanted a jury trial. I did not waive my jury trial. Okay, she told me that doesn't count in Maryland. Last I checked, your constitutional right, the 7th Amendment, gives every citizen a right to a jury trial. Article 21 of the Maryland Constitution gives every citizen the right to a jury trial. Then they moved me over to another judge, and I could tell by the way in which he was talking that I was going to be found guilty anyway. And what he told me, when you say the word bitch, it is a violation and it can put you in jail. Isn't that something, ladies and gentlemen? Your constitutional rights are being taken from these individuals. But in this case, these 2 judges and these 3, one more thing. The gentleman who is being sued, the state attorney who's already received his letter, came here from circuit court, who says every citizen must produce an ID to law enforcement. He came in here to make sure that this, and what the state attorney told the lawyer is that they were hoping that I would fire the panel attorney who came in to represent me. This is a corrupt system inside of this judicial system. And we're going to take this case to Greenbelt also and file a lawsuit against these 2 judges and these 2 state attorneys. Okay? And enterprise is about to be served anyway, so we don't care nothing about that. But they're saying we go to probation. I got the paperwork. I didn't even read over it. But the judge in this case, here it is, y'all. Got a report to notice of probation for using the word bitch. Isn't that some shit, y'all? I'm telling you, your rights are being taken away from you daily. And the Supreme Court has already ruled that speech does not constitute a criminal act. This is where we at, ladies and gentlemen. But in this courtroom, and just like Rockville, these are criminals running the judicial system. And the only way we put a stop to them is by taking them to federal court and removing them from the bench. And that's exactly what's going to happen to these 2 judges in here and these state attorneys. So stand by. And one more thing, I came here today to do the 60 days. I'm willing to go do 60 days in the county jail. So get ready. In 2 weeks, I'll be back here telling them I'm not going to do probation. Stand by.